Disrespectful. That is the word. Yes, yes. Disrespectful. That absolutely is the word for the offer made to Reggae Boys head coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore and his assistant Jerome Wade. Approximately 3,000 US dollars a month for Whitmore and approximately 1,000 US dollars a month for Jerome Wade. And I don't wrong the man them not to sign any contract. All of this is in a context where the man that Tapper Whitmore replaced, the German Willis Schaefer, Schaefer used to get 50,000 US dollars a month. That is over 15 times what current coach Whitmore is being offered. Now you want to tell me, say, Schaefer was 15 times a better coach than Tapper Whitmore. Disrespect, I put it to you that the job that Whitmore is doing this time around in his second stint as coach, it is better than what Schaefer did when he was here. Look, Schaefer went to the Gold Cup final. That is his biggest achievement. Tapper also went to the Gold Cup final. But Tapper's achievement is even better because Tapper went there with a born and bred local squad. Right now, me I tell you this, Schaefer don't have nothing over Whitmore, so no pay Tapper them some better money. And look, all things being equal, I want to say this. If Theodore Tapper Whitmore was a white man with a funny accent, the JFF would not offer him that kind of money. They would have to offer him better money. So I ask you this now. Tell me if this is not racism. Tell me if it's not racism. I don't racism. Then it's not racism. Well, me think of racism. We come to block the road. I come to block the road to talk about it's not racism. It's not racism. It's injustice, but it's not racism. All right, it's not racism. But we want justice to Tapper.